How to open a new Instagram account. So if you've never opened an account before, you're not going to see this. It's because I've opened one already. That's why you can see this. But if you download an Instagram account, you will see a welcome page where you can start the whole process. So, but if you have an account, I'm just going to click on add account right here. So once you tap on this add account, I'm going to see create new account. So once I tap on it, this is the point where you put your username, the username you want to use for your account. It is so simple, guys. So you just type in any username you want to use, and any username you pick, Instagram is going to tell you whether it is available or not. So can you see this one? It is telling me that the name has been used. So this one now is available. Can you see that green check mark? So any name you are picking, Instagram is going to tell you whether it's available or not. See, I changed it, and it will even suggest some names you can use. So the thing is, you can change the name later, but that's after you've opened the account. So when once you are done like this, just explore it, pick the one that is available. So I think I'm going to. Can you see this one is available? So you just click next. So in this place, it's just telling me if I want to join this my previous account with this one, so that when I log in, I can just switch. But if you don't have any other account, you might not get this. So I just click on continue. Then this place, you are going to create your password. Make sure it's password you can remember, and you can also check this save password so that Instagram will save it anytime you just log in directly instead of putting password. After creating your password, you just type on this next, and then it's going to take you to this place. So in this place, you are going to either use a phone number or an email. But I'm just going to use an email right now. So I'm going to use this email to register. So you can use either your number or Gmail. So after that, Instagram is going to send you a confirmation code. So you go to your Gmail. If you are using Gmail, they are going to send it to your mail. If you are using phone number to register, they are going to send it to that number you used. So you're just going to copy the code and paste it right here. Then you tap on next. Then you tap on complete sign up. After tapping on complete sign up, you are going to see this next part, which is asking you to put your profile picture. You can just skip it. I'm not going to be doing that now because it's just like a test account. So I'm going to skip it. It's telling me if I'm trying to like follow people, I'm just going to skip this part. So I'm just going to press next. Then this next one too is suggesting if I want to add my connect with my friends on Facebook. I'm just going to skip everything. So you can do it to add all these things to your own. So this one, so I'm just going to skip it. Now, this is your main profile. It's going to take you to your main profile. So you click on this round by the right hand side. Once you tap on it, you are going to see where your profile is. So now you can edit your profile. Once you tap on edit profile, this is it. You can put your name. This is the username that we used. So you can change it. Can you see? You can change the username. So you can change it, do all other settings. You can put bio. You can also add your profile picture to it too. So that's pretty much how to open an Instagram account. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also put on a notification bell so that you can see anytime I make a post. And I also want to use this opportunity to welcome all the new subscribers. You are welcome to the family, guys. And thank you all for the support and love on this channel. We are about to hit 1,000 subscribers, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.